Let's discuss about Kacha house. A Kacha house is made with mud, bamboo, straw, wood, leaves, etc. Children, a Kacha house is made up of mud, and with mud we can use bamboo, straw, wood, dry leaves, etc. Most people in villages live in kacha houses called huts. That's right. They mostly live in a kacha house called as hut. These houses are not expensive. By not expensive, it means that you can make these houses only with small money. They are not strong. That's right, children. I've already told you that kacha means weak. So a kacha house is a weak house. They are called kacha because they flow away. That is, they get washed away in floods or break down in earthquakes. So they are called temporary houses. So, Kacha house is a weak house. It is not expensive, it is not strong, and it is called a temporary house. So, hut is an example of a Kacha house. But children, besides a hut, there are different types of Kacha houses. For example, stilt house, igloo, houseboat, tent house, caravan. Stilt house, igloo, houseboat, tent house and caravan are some more different types of kacha houses. Let us discuss them one by one. Stilt house. In place where it rains heavily. Yes, children, where rain falls for many days of the year, that is, rain is heavy, people make stilt houses. Stilt houses using bamboo. Children, these are the bamboo sticks, and the bamboo sticks are placed in such a manner that above the bamboo sticks we can make a house. So bamboo, because bamboo is very strong, it is used for making stilts. So when it rains very heavily, the water will flow down from this region and it will not enter the house or cause any damage to the house. In this way, the house remains protected from overflowing water. Here are some more pictures of stilt houses. Have a look. Children, a stilt house can be a simple house, or at the same time it can also be a big house. But again, it is a temporary or kacha house only because it can break away by the action of wind or water. Oh my God, can you see that penguin over there? And wow, it's snowing. And what's this right here? That's right, it's an igloo. Wow, I feel cold when I'm seeing this. So the next kacha house is an igloo. At very cold places, houses are built with blocks of ice. That's right. An igloo is made by putting these blocks of ice one over the other. These are called igloos. People living in these houses, that is, people living in the igloos, are called Eskimos. That's right. Say hi to this Eskimo. He lives in this igloo. An igloo protects them. By them, it means the Eskimos. An igloo protects them from icy cold winds. That's right. Already, children, it is very cold over there, and when the winds start blowing, it becomes more colder. So these Eskimos move inside their small house, that is igloo, to get themselves protected from the icy cold winds. Houseboat. A houseboat is a floating house. Floating house, so it means that it is found in the waters. People in Kashmir, that's right, people in Kashmir live in these houses which are made on the boats. Many of you must have visited Srinagar, and there you must have seen a houseboat. Children, in a houseboat, there are 2 to 3 rooms, and the whole boat is made up of wood. It is also a temporary house. But you also can find houseboats in Kerala. Tent. Sometimes people stay in one place for a short time and then move on. They live in tents. A tent is made of canvas. Children, canvas is a waterproof cloth. Just like your raincoat, it is made up of waterproof cloth. This canvas cloth is also waterproof cloth. And this canvas cloth is used to make the tents. It can be easily moved and fixed again. Soldiers and campers use tents. Children, because soldiers have to move from one place to another time to time for the protection of country, they use tents as a temporary house for protection. Even when we go out for picnics with our family or friends and for camping, we take a tent if we have a night stay. So tent acts as a temporary house for us at that time. And the last kacha house is a caravan. You can, from the name itself, understand that it is actually a van-like vehicle which can be attached to a car. Hence, caravan. Let's see how it looks. A caravan is a small house made on vehicle. We can drive the whole house and go to a new place. Children, it's a small house which is on the wheels. So, it is also called as a moving house because you can drive it from one place to another, or house on wheels. A caravan can be like this, that is, it is just a room, and then you can attach a car in front of it and move it from one place to another, or it can be a joint caravan which can be moved again.